In today's video, I'm going out to teach you how to get a verified badge in Meta Business Suite. This is a very quick process to check, and it's useful if you want to see whether your business currently has access to Meta's verification option. Keep in mind that availability can vary by account, region, or business status, so what you see on your screen may look slightly different from this example. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to your business home dashboard. From there, look for the option labeled Get a Verified Badge. This is the entry point Meta provides for businesses that want to learn more about verification or begin the setup process. Once you find it, click on it to continue. After clicking, you'll be taken to the verification area inside your business settings. This is where Meta checks whether your business is currently eligible to start the verification process. At this stage, the platform will usually show you whether you can move forward right away or whether the feature is not available for your account yet. In this example, the option to continue is not available at the moment. So if you see a message indicating that you're not eligible right now, don't worry. That simply means Meta has not enabled verification for this business at this time. It does not necessarily mean anything is wrong with your account. In many cases, eligibility becomes available later, depending on Meta's internal requirements and rollout timing. The most important thing to do here is confirm your status. If the verification flow is available, you can begin the process from that page. If it isn't, then you've still completed the check successfully and now know where to return when access becomes available. A helpful tip is to revisit this section from time to time inside Meta Business Suite, especially if your business information is fully completed and actively maintained. Keeping your business details organized can make it easier to move forward once Meta allows verification on your account. So to recap, you open Meta Business Suite, click Get a Verified Badge, and then check whether Meta allows you to start the verification process. If the feature isn't available yet, that's okay. You'll simply need to wait until your business becomes eligible. That's it for this tutorial. You now know exactly where to check for a verified badge in Meta Business Suite and how to tell whether your account can move forward with verification.